Right, so there's a few more things we can identify from a graph. We can identify the dependent and independent variables. We can look at connecting the points and not connecting the points. And again, we can look at domain and range. So when we're looking at dependent and independent variables, if you've drawn your graph correctly, your independent variable will be on the x, right? That's sort of your input. So in this case, our dependent will be on the y-axis, so that will be the number of boats, right? That's sort of the output, right? It kind of depends on what time it is. And our independent will be time. Why are the points not connected? Well, in this case, it's counting real-life objects that we can't have half of a boat or 1/10 of a boat on the water, so it doesn't make sense to connect these points. Use whole numbers only. C, domain and range. So our domain is at values of x such that, and we have numbers from 9 o'clock to 16 o'clock. So 9 to 16, 16 being 4 in the afternoon. Right, time is continuous, so x is an element of the real numbers. Our range, the number of boats, so values of y such that, and we start with our lowest value here is 6. And on this graph, our highest value is 25. Y is an element of the integers or the whole numbers because it's talking about the number of boats, right? As I said before, we can't have 1/10 of a boat.